Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to plan a route in the Citymapper application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the Get Me Somewhere button. So first you have to select your starting location. This can be anything within the chosen country, which is at this case is London. And then just set the end point. And as you can see here, you will find the exact distance between the two places, and then just click on this button, and here you will find all the suggested routes, buses, cycles, scooters, cabs, and all the other options to take this route. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.